Hi everyone. Well, we're out here in Hopkinton. This is Lot 3, Leonard Street. As you can see, I think the last time I showed this was months and months ago, so there's been quite a bit of progress. I think it was just framed last time, but it's pretty much completely finished. It's going to be hitting the market this week for $1,590,000. If you can scan over there, you can see the second lot. It already has the house in the sided, got the windows up, but the interior isn't finished. But let me take you in the inside here and show you what a fantastic job they did. So this is where you'd be coming in through the front doorway, and then I'll show you real quick. If you pan over that way, that would be the formal dining room with the chandelier, and then over here would be another either living room, because this also opens up. The nice high ceilings, you can see the beautiful trim work all the way around. Shiplap over the fireplace. Granite, I believe, surround around the gas fireplace. Nice big window, so it lets in lots of natural light. Then if you come over here, we have like a breakfast area. And then they left this. This could just be either a dry bar. You could actually add some more cabinets. They kind of left that up to the purchaser. Nice, very large island, Gen-Air appliances, double ovens, 6-burner top, 6-burner stove top. They have the paneled dishwasher. You can't even tell it's a dishwasher. Just absolutely gorgeous. Under cabinet lighting, gorgeous backsplash. And then if you come around here, this is where the refrigerator is going to be. This is the entrance to the garage. We've got some storage closets in the back here. This is kind of your spare room, extra space down here. You can have it be, an office, put it in as a spare bedroom, whatever you like. And then it's got a half bath down here. Gorgeous stand-up shower, commode, single vanity sink. Now we'll take you upstairs and show you around. As you can see, nice stained staircase, beautiful banisters with the handrails. And if you come up here to the second floor, got a very nice wide open space here. Beautiful lighting beside the windows. And here we have the two mirrored bedrooms. Bedrooms 1 and 2. Pretty much the same either side. And then I'll take you around here to the bathroom. I think this is the bathroom, or is this the laundry room? No, this looks like the bathroom. We've got shower tub combo, commode, dual vanity sink. And then next door, I believe we have the laundry room, which is right here. And all in all, this is a 3,600, I believe, square foot home. And then I'll just take you around the corner and show you the master suite. I forgot, there's actually a little bonus bedroom here. This is for an au pair. They didn't do the flooring yet. I think they're letting the buyers choose that. But this bedroom, we consider the au pair suite because it has its own full bath. Gorgeously done. And now if you follow me, I'll show you the master suite. Again, floors aren't finished in any of the bedrooms in case you want hardwood as opposed to carpeting. This area here is all open for the bedroom. Nice large closet over there. Then as you come down here, there's another large closet, walk-in closet that's big enough to be actually someone's room, in my opinion. I think he's going to be having this all finished off as closet space, shelving. I don't know if it's California closets or what it's going to be. Found those light switches. So as you can see here, this is the master bedroom, master bathroom, dual vanity recessed sinks, large countertop. We have the spigot or the faucet, shower head. That's the word that I've been trying to find. Shower head for the like the rain fall shower head. Separate area for the commode for a little extra privacy. And then lastly, here we have the very large, gorgeous soaking tub. So that pretty much concludes the tour. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you know anyone interested, again, let me know. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye now.